What's up, guys? It's your girl Janora Davenport, and I come to you from the Private Label Studios to show you how to install the flawless ponytail using our 20-inch Brazilian. Hope you like it and come to join us again. So today we are going to install a ponytail using Private Label extensions, and they have the colors in jet black, natural black, dark brown, auburn, honey blonde, and beach blonde. The tools that you'll need to do your ponytail today will be a comb, small teeth. You will also need to use a metal tooth ended comb. You'll also need your clips, and we'll also be using small black rubber bands. You also can use your edge control brushes for your sleekness, or you can use a soft bristle brush or a hard bristle brush. We're also going to use the Private Label blow dryer today, and we'll also use a little beeswax along with holding spray. So let's get started. So first we're going to start by parting our hair into 3 sections. You want to part your hair because we are going to do a middle part ponytail today. You want to part from ear to ear, or proper term, mastoid process to mastoid. To keep it out of the way, we're going to use our clips. You want to try to keep the parting aligned as possible. And so then we're going to start in the back. So once you have it parted, you want to have the back section left loose. And this is where we're going to begin the molding of our ponytail. But you have different options. You have a low ponytail, a mid ponytail, and a high ponytail. Today we're going to focus on the mid. So I'm going to also take another part, and to set the base for the ponytail, we're going to get our foundation where we want it to sit, and we want it to sit in the middle of our head, a little bit below your crown, and we're going to section off as such, and then we're also going to section off the last part. Make sure that you have enough clips as you are doing this process. So we're going to start with gathering all of the hair, just like so, and we're going to grab our rubber bands and place it in a ponytail. If you are using the small black rubber bands, I like to use 2. And we're not gonna make it super tight. We're just gonna go around or loop around twice. So that way you still have movement. So now this is where we take our holding spray and our beeswax, and we're going to spray the ponytail. When spraying, you want to make sure that you spray as close as possible, not too far off, because you want the ponytail to be molded. And we are going to comb the hair smoothly together. And as you're doing this, you're going to notice that your ponytail is loosening. That is fine. And then we're going to take one more rubber band, and we are going to loop it around and make it tight because we want it to hold. Not too tight, not too much tension, because we are not wanting any breakage. And then we will remove the loose rubber band. So now this is the foundation for the ponytail. So we're gonna gather all of the hair and bring it to this place. Now we're gonna take the bottom section, and we are going to comb it or brush it up, whatever your preference, into the ponytail. Again, we're gonna use our holding spray to spray the ponytail, spray the hair. I don't use my brush as often, but we want to gather all of the hair together, make it nice and neat. Now, if you're home, in the salon we have hot stoves, but at home, you may not have a hot stove. So you can use your blow dryer with beeswax in a jar to melt it. You want it to get hot enough just so that the top is actually in a little bit liquid form or just a little bit soft. So you will see that it will look like this. So we're gonna take our beeswax, and we are going to apply it to lay down all flyaways, and it will help keep the hair nice and neat. It would be best if your beeswax is melted completely, but if not, it's okay. And a little goes a long way. So you do not have to overuse it excessively. We're gonna take our holding spray again, but this time we'll use a different holding spray. We'll use a freeze spray. And again, we're gonna spray the ponytail. And this time I'll actually use my edge control brush, and we're gathering it nice and neat. So this will keep your hair smooth, keep the flyaways together. And once you feel comfortable to your liking of having the ponytail together, you want it to blend with each section, you're gonna take your rubber band and we will put it up. This time I will use 2 because my hair is a little thicker in this section. And we're gathering all of the hair once again, and we're gonna have it nice and neat. so it will be smooth. As you can see, you should be able to feel a smooth rub, and then you can move on to your next section. So once we decide if we want to leave out baby hairs or not, you can do excessive or you can do minimum. So when we are doing a middle part ponytail, you have the option to go with a swoop, or you also have the option to kind of curve it a little bit and bring it straight back if you like. We're gonna do a little bit of both because I have a mid ponytail, but the goal is to still blend it as much as possible with the remaining of the ponytail that we've already started the base with. So again, we'll use our spray. So you want to apply it on top, saturate it as much as possible. This is going to give your ponytail the mold or the hold, and it'll also give it some shine. You want to cover your edges, and then you will use your comb to comb it through all of the hair. I like to use beeswax for myself because my hair is pretty thick, so if your density is pretty thick, this will be a great hold. Once we have it molded, it should lay nice and flat. You're gonna take your rubber bands once again and join it with the remaining of the ponytail, as tight as you like, but not too tight. And this is what the ponytail will look like. And then we will finish off with the other side to do the exact same thing. So after we have gotten our ponytail into its formation, we're gonna use our blow dryer to sleek it and dry it. Now we will braid our natural hair into a small braid, and you can secure the ends with a rubber band. This ponytail actually comes with a comb attachment, and it has a pocket. So you want to place your braid inside of the ponytail, and you will use the comb to connect it with the base of your hair. So because the comb is at the top, you want to make sure when you are placing it on that it is positioned in the direction where you want the comb to fit. There's a slight opening as well for you to pull the ponytail all the way through. So I'm going to take my comb piece and place it the base of my hair. Once we have the ponytail secured and the comb attachment is firmly, you will see that it is on. You can shake, you can move, and it will not go anywhere. And then we have the drawstring. So this is where you can use this to make it tighter around the base, and you pull it until it's tight enough and you feel safe and you feel secure. And again, you can check by doing a swing and it's not going anywhere. And we're gonna take this piece and wrap it around. We will go under, around again. This is also helping keeping it secure as we wrap it. So once we get to the place of the elastic band where there is no hair, and then we reach the piece for the hair, this is where we are going to make sure we wrap the ponytail nice and neat. I will give you a back view. We're still gonna go around. So here you can take your holding spray, your comb. You want to comb it completely out. This will keep it straight, keep it smooth. We'll take our holding spray and we'll spray the piece of hair. And we are going to wrap the hair around the base of the ponytail again. And you want to make sure that you keep a firm grip as you are wrapping it. You can finish it off. It will have a circle-like. You will spray around it. Again, this will hold it. We'll take our blow dryer to dry it. We'll take our edge control to smooth our baby hairs. So once we have our ponytail on, nice and tight and secured, we want to make sure our baby hairs are as our liking, whether you have them or not. And this is how we install our ponytail. Very soft, very smooth. This is a Brazilian, and it's a good, quick style for you to do for a brunch day, rooftop day, out with the girls, out with your boyfriend. Nice ponytail. Hi guys, my name is Janora. You can find me on social media platforms, TikTok and Instagram. Instagram, braids_like_butter_x. That's braids like BUTTA_x. Also on TikTok at braids_like_butter, BUTTA_x, no underscore. I am also located in Hapeville, Georgia at Spotlight Salon Suites, 5 minutes from the airport. Would love to have you and would love to service you. Thank you guys.